plug it in.
This is garage opener, and this button not work. It loose.
Can you go put
Then
some
we're
water
gonna
on
fix
this?
it.
Oh, not a lot of water.
This
Just
is-
get it damp.
The panel. Where's the
Here, we took this one apart.
we took this one apart. We open it. And then this one is the panel
Yeah.
inside.
So what happens here is we have garage door opener has 3 switches. One of them broke off. We can look in here and see that these 4 contact points have all been knocked loose. This used to be there, soldered into there. These ones never had anything attached.
Okay.
So we are going to resolder this, hopefully. It may or may not work. We'll try it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then we haven't lost anything because this is a broken garage door opener at the moment. So with the circuit board, there's circuits inside here, and we can only get solder on this one point. We can't let the solder flow over onto other points. This one we can't let it flow onto here, so we have to be very precise about where we put the solder. And so, see that? Okay,
We're gonna what do we call?
here's some solder. Here's some old flux, kind of gross looking.
Is it moldy?
เหมือนเชื่อมนะคะเชื่อมวงจร
I'm gonna put some on here.
We put this
I've had it for 20 years
on.
Looks like it's moldy.
or more.
It's kind of old, but it still work. We're still using it.
Yeah.
And then
I'm gonna put some on the bottom of these
put,
contacts. It's just gonna help.
G-spot.
It's just gonna help the solder flow better.
Do they have to go a specific way? Or they can go...
No, this one can go any way. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, solder.
Anita, this one is the solder. That's the soldering iron. So now we are going to
I
attach
put a dab on there.
with dab it.
You see how there's a dab of it on there now? I'm gonna try to put a dab on each
You put it.
location.
We're gonna put the like switch, and then we melt that in 4 spot.
I might have got it.
This one attached. Now this one already attached. That button, attach it. Now we're gonna put the cover together, and we're gonna test it.
Okay. This light cap in there.
I just put it there earlier.
Put the battery in.
There's some battery.
And then
Cover is on. We're gonna go test it. It's gonna work or not work. So let's see. It's worked.